K-Babies? It's Cayla back with another freaking video, but today I'm here with a new video to my channel. This is a new set of videos I'm bringing to my channel. These are going to be wig videos, how I install or how I do, like, you know, things with wigs. Today's video is going to be about how I do a quick install on this wig that I'm wearing right now. So yeah, if you like to see information about this wig or how I installed this hair, just keep on watching. Before I go any further, let me tell you a little bit about this hair. This hair is from Asteria hair. I'll have the link to this hair in the description box. This hair did not come this color. I got this hair customized, plucked, and everything from me. So I will also have the girl that I got to do my hair. I will put it in the description box as well so that y'all can get her to do y'all's wigs or whatever. But yeah, so this hair was 24. Well, this hair is 24 inches. It came in the color like brown 1B. And I got her to dye it ginger. I really like this hair. It's supposed to be a body wave. Whenever I got the hair, it kind of had like a small little like curl to it, but it wasn't like the body wave that I've seen before. But it also still was very pretty, very, very soft. Like, I loved it, and the length was amazing. So far, I really like the hair. This is my first time wearing it, but I have had it for a few months, so I've been playing with it or whatever. I tried to pluck it myself, but I literally like almost fucked it over. I didn't know what I was doing, so I had to get somebody else to do it for me. And baby, thank you so much for doing this wig for me, because I wouldn't have been able to freak it like you did. So yeah, I'm going to be showing y'all how I do a quick install on this hair. If you'd like to see it, or if you have any tips and tricks that you can teach me, I would love for you to put it in the description box, because, you know, we're learning together. I don't know if I said it already, but if you're new to the K-Babies, what's up, honey bunny? My name is Cayla. Welcome to the K-Babies. I hope by the end of this video you can subscribe. Also, go and watch some of my other videos after this video. Why not just spend the day with me? So yeah, so let me just shut up and stop talking, and let me get into showing you how I installed this wig. So just keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, let me show y'all the wig. It's my first time putting it on. This wig is from Asteria hair, and it's super cute. I got it colored. I think it's showing off right on this, but I got it dyed ginger. This is my first time doing like for real color. This is a 5x5 closure wig. I got it customized already, plucked and everything, because I was trying to pluck this wig for the longest. Like, since I got it, I was trying to pluck it, but it was taking forever. Like, I just don't know what I was doing. So I was like, forget it. I'm going to get it dyed. I'm going to get it customized. I'm going to get it styled so I can already be ready to be put on. So here I am putting it on for y'all. So yeah, I guess let's get into it. So first off, the wig comes with 2 side clips, a back clip, and then the little stretchy things, the little elastics on the end, so I don't even have to put an elastic band, which I really like. You can see the lace goes pretty deep. And yeah, so first, to start off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 2 face powders. This is in my color. This is the 2 face powder in the color Warm Sand. This is the color of my foundation. And then I have my bronzer from Fenty in the color Beijing Gal. It usually works out pretty good. So to start off, I'm going to go in with this, and I'm just going to go over it all over my wig, basically, so I can like give myself like that base color. And then towards the front, since usually I bronze, and I feel like in my previous wigs it helps me like blend better when it comes to blending, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beijing Gal, and I'm going to put that around the edges of the wig, because I feel like that helps me better with blending and like melting into my skin. So I'm just going to go around on the edges and like just dab it with my makeup brush. And I'm just going to dab it on there. Not too much, because I don't want it to like get all creamy and stuff whenever I start adding the hairspray and stuff, and it gets all out of whack. So now that I've done that, I already like placed the things, like the little elastics, to where like I feel like it'll be tight on my head, but I'm about to try it out first so I can already know. And so we're about to do that. Let's try it on. Yeah, I'm so nervous to see what I'm gonna look like, because I've never done color like this, and I just don't know. So here we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. I definitely feel like it needs to be tighter because it's not that tight. So let me go ahead and take it off. Like, I know y'all see how easy it was for me to take that off. So let me see if I can tighten it a little bit more. Whew. Okay, this is a lot better. It's a lot tighter. And I feel like this will fit a lot better. Okay, so now that it's on, it's pretty much in the middle. This is how it's gonna look. And now I just need to glue it. Really, this can be a glueless wig, but since I'm showing y'all how I do a quick install, this is gonna be how I glue it on. And this is how I glue all my wigs on, because like I feel like whenever I glue stuff on like too tight, I can get like bumps and stuff on the edges of my skin. So I don't know if it's just like the products I use and I need to get better products, or if I need to do like, I don't know. But I'm gonna zoom in the camera so you can see a little bit better, and then I'm gonna be back on camera. So now that I've zoomed in, you can see all my little thingy things. So now I'm just gonna go in, I'm just gonna scoot the wig back. My hair is pretty much all the way scooting back now, or whatever. So now I can go in with this. So I have two things I use. Usually I can use the Got2b spray. I usually use the Got2b spray when I'm running late, because I could just spray this on, use my fan, and it could be go. So since this is, or I can do the Got2b glue. So I think I'm gonna use a little bit of both, because I'm not in a rush, but like this is a quick install. So I think I'm gonna use the Got2b first. And so basically with the Got2b, I'm just gonna take a little bit, like I said, a little bit of the gel, and then I'm just gonna like place it along the edges of my hairline. That's good. So I'm just going to put a thin layer. And after that, I'm going to take a blow dryer so you can like speed up the process, because this is a quick install. And we're just going to use that to blow dry the gel down. So I'm just going to mute it while I blow dry it, because y'all don't want to hear this, and I'll put some little cool music so y'all can listen.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel.
And I'm just gonna pull it like to where I feel like it'll lay best. So I don't want it too much on my hairline, so I'm just gonna pull it a little bit further up, so to where it misses my hair. So like there, that's good. And then it's in the middle. So I'm just gonna take my comb and just like press the hair in a little bit. And then I may have to go in with like a little bit of hairspray. So let me blow dry, and then we can go from there to see.
Tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on.
So now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of hairspray, just because I feel like it's not down all the way. And I'm just gonna use the hairspray to kind of like blend it, and then we'll go from there.
So true, there ain't no other for me, only you. Down with what you go.
Okay, it's looking pretty blended to me. So I'm just gonna go and do the same thing around the perimeter of my hair, so you can kind of like blend a little bit, and then I'll show y'all how I touch it up. So I'm just gonna speed this through. So yeah, now it's pretty on. I'm playing it up and it's not coming. So now what I'm gonna do is to like give my hairline, because to me like it is not giving me like very much part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna add some concealer. So I'm just gonna go, really you could use any kind of concealer, you don't have to use no high-end concealer because it's just lace. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in light tan. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the color light tan in the Holy Grail Pro Concealer. I know everybody used to use this, I used to use this, and every now and then I'll still use it. So I'm just gonna go in, and I like it because it has this little like felt tip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down the middle and kind of just add that down the part to try to give it more like, you see now I feel like it's giving me more like part. Like of course I'm gonna have to blend it, but it's giving me part versus like at first it was giving me black hair. Also, like what I have to say is your wig is not always gonna look like perfect. Like of course we're not Tay, we're not Erica Tay, which you can work up to that. You can definitely work up to that, but like I just know that I'm not perfect, and since this is like my first time really doing a wig, like it's not gonna look its best anyway. Basically you're just trying to give an illusion, okay? And I feel like I just fucked this up. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna go with this Bayesian gal and kind of like tone it down a little bit. I don't know, y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much how I do my little quick install. So now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and get my hot comb and kind of just go through the hair to like flatten it a little bit to try to give it that like regular look. I feel like so far it's looking pretty good. Like to say that I'm doing it for the video, it's not gonna be perfect. I'm just telling y'all that now, like it wasn't gonna be perfect because I'm learning. So y'all learning too. So I'm just showing y'all what I do to quickly install my wig. Honestly, in the comments, tell me how y'all feel about this color because I'm feeling very like I love it, but then it's like I'm feeling like I don't know. So now that I have my hot comb on and it's hot, this is literally my grandma's, so this is like old. But I'm just gonna really go in and just flatten the top. It's already pretty flat, but I just want it a little bit more flat. Yeah, like this is pretty much how I do a quick install. I really don't do much because I don't really know what I'm doing, but I definitely like am learning a lot because in the beginning I wouldn't have even been able to do this, y'all. Like I wouldn't have been able to install my wig like this. So I'm definitely learning as I go. And yeah, like that's basically how I do my little installs, my quick installs. Once I learn how to do like a real install, then I'll show y'all like plucking it all. But until then, this is as far as we're gonna get because I don't know what else I'm doing. Also, like since this is my first time doing like a color like this, I really don't know how I feel about like my eyebrows being a different color. Let me know. Like I feel like of course that'll like I'll get used to it after a while, but I feel like for now like I just feel so uneasy with like my eyebrows being a different color from my hair. So yeah, pretty much that is it. This is how I do my little quick install. This is my first time wearing this hair. I don't know how I like it just yet, just because like I need to wear it a little bit more. Like I don't know how I like this color on me, but I feel like I really been wanting to do ginger for a minute and I never did it. So this is me doing it. Let me know what you think about the color. Let me know if you think this color is hit on me or if you think like, nah sis, this color not for you. I'm still deciding. Like I feel like maybe like next time when I install it, I'll do my eyebrows the same color as this hair and maybe like it'll make me feel a little bit better about it. So we'll have to see as far as that. But as far as just the hair goes, I'm pretty much liking it. I feel like I did a really good job like blending it. I feel like yeah, you're gonna be able to see the lace a little bit, but it's not really bad. I feel like it looks really good. Without further ado, I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all learned a little bit of something from me from this install video. I am planning on getting better so I can have more to teach y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share with your friends so that they can learn just like I am, and maybe they can learn from me. Let me know whatever. Just let me know what other videos you'd like to see me do. And without further ado, I'll see you later, Cay-Babiessssss.